I'm going to set my own path. I'm going to be my own man or woman. But it all starts, like we were saying, with the words that you tell yourself about you and your place in the world.
It's understanding that there's only one thing that's in your control is your choice. You get to decide. You get to decide, and it's really deciding to react to what you've always known and what you've always done and how you always move, or to respond in the proper way that will help you get closer to being the ideal version of yourself. It's understanding that reacting is not fun. Being pulled by your emotions is not fun. Living a life just being a victim to your traumas is not fun. If anybody
Mm-mm.
says it's fun, they're bullshitting you. Like, we were unhappy because we were letting our emotions and our traumas take over. But it's understanding once we had the control to decide and make different choices for ourselves, it's like you can't blame anybody. There is no blaming anyone because
Mm-mm.
you've decided to take ownership. And that's the first step that we have everybody come to conclusion is taking ownership of who you've been in the past and taking ownership of who you're going to be in the future.
One